In this very short lesson, let's look at what is auto find instance path. And as the name suggests, Python will automatically find the path to the instance folder in that project folder. And this is the same code that we used in the previous lesson on instance path, except that now I've commented out this part. The rest of it is the same. And as you can see, we do have the instance folder, but there's nothing in it right now. And so I'm going to save the app.py file, and then in the terminal run app.py. And as you'll see, if we refresh this, we see the path that auto find instance path was able to find, and that is the path to the hello.txt file that we create right here. And now we can also see that the hello.txt file is created in the instance folder without us explicitly specifying the instance path anywhere. So this is how the auto find instance path would work in the background to locate that instance folder. So that was it for this video. Thank you.